Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you Dell laptop or computer not turning on but freezing and turning itself off. So we'll go through some process to diagnose this issue. So this is a primary diagnose. So if this fails, you might need to see a mechanic or deal with the computer in different way. So first things we're going to do is unplug the charger and take the battery off. So this laptop battery, taking it off is quite easy. Just push on the clip and that come off easily. So if your laptop has different, if it's underneath the back cover, you need to access it and take the battery off. Now we're going to open the laptop and turn the power button on for press and hold the power button for 1 minute. So this is because if your laptop has any build-up statics on it, this will clear it, and if the laptop comes on, that means if any statics build up on your computer, that's cleared it. So if the problem still persists, we are going to try another way. So we'll put the battery back in and charger back in. Now turn the computer on. If it still doesn't come on, we're going to press and hold the power button for 1 minute. So if it still doesn't solve the problem, we're going to test the battery and the charger. So this way we're going to take the charger off and we're going to take the battery off. Now turn the laptop over, plug the charger in, and turn the computer on, laptop on. You can hold the power button for 1 minute. If the laptop comes on, that means there's something wrong with your charger. You need to change the charger or check the label if it's suitable with the laptop. Now we're going to test the battery. So put the battery in. We're now going to use the charging cable. Press and hold the power button for 1 minute. If the laptop comes on, that means the charger needs replacing. And now we're going to take the battery off and try plugging in the charger. Hold the power button. Now if the laptop comes on, that means there's something wrong with the battery itself. So you might need to change the battery and the laptop will be fixed. So this is the primary way of diagnosing if the laptop is not turning on or freezing, turning itself off. If you need further assistance, you can follow the video on the description. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.